Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm in a new park. You can see this is not a big park, it is a small park, but it is my first time in this park. We are here for making vlog video for improving our speaking English. So what do you think, Abhi Prasad, about this park?
We have reached another park, you may say, okay?
Yeah.
And we are making video with the confidence. We are saying with the confidence and come and you can show you can move your mobile, just you can show the viewers,
Yeah.
okay?
This is the park.
This is the small park we have reached, and
Yeah.
come this side we will go, and we are making video every day, okay? This is the
This is
and
the
there is
park.
no any people are there in this park. This is the
Yeah.
so small park inside of the Kapurthala Chauraha, okay?
But this is not. This park is not clean.
This okay,
The
this
smells is very bad in
very
this
bad
park.
in this park. We will go
Yeah,
this
because
side.
there is a garbage.
Garbage
You
there.
can
This
see.
side is a garbage.
That's why.
But I think we cannot upload this video. But you
No.
maybe like or not.
I will
don't
upload.
know.
I will
We'll
upload.
upload.
Yeah, it's
we are,
good.
but it
It's
is
good, bro.
But it is maybe good or not. But it is not good. But we are making video. It is good. Okay, we are
Yeah,
say
it
something
is
in
good.
with the confidence. Okay,
We make video every day for our confidence, for our
okay.
fluency.
fluency.
It's a good. Nobody is perfect in this world,
In
so
this,
don't
okay.
think more about video and about your
Anything.
speaking.
You are speaking.
Yeah,
okay.
it's a good. Just go with flow, bro.
Okay, Kuldeep,
Wow.
listen. And I am thinking about that. We have already rounded in this park. Okay, we will make you now in the roadside. Okay, go let's
Okay.
side. Let's go. Don't pause the video,
No.
but we will go in between
The pathway has been made around this park,
Okay.
and one pathway is
In the
between the
between.
park.
middle side. Okay,
Yeah, between the park.
okay. And there is no. I think there is no light. It is getting dark. Okay,
Yeah, it's getting because it's 6:30.
6:30.
Yes,
And
bro.
There is one.
There is a big tree of banyan tree.
banyan tree. It is banyan tree.
Yes, it's a banyan tree. You don't know.
I don't know
banyan
this is
tree,
a
you can
banyan tree
see.
or not. I not getting the because this is
Do
a
you know one thing?
What?
The effect of banyan,
Banyan
tree,
tree,
it gives 24 into 7 hours O2.
O2
I mean oxygen.
oxygen.
24
Okay,
into 7 hours. It is the quality. It is the effect of this banyan tree.
banyan tree. Okay,
Yeah.
under the banyan tree you can the who
Yeah.
okay under the banyan tree
Yeah.
who achieved the enlightenment. Do you know?
I didn't get your point.
And under the banyan tree
Yeah.
who
Yes.
got enlightenment?
Yeah.
Who? Tell me.
Everyone.
Everyone knows.
Oh,
Who got the enlightenment under the banyan tree?
please tell me. I don't know.
You don't
I
know?
have no idea about this part.
Mahavir.
Oh
I know.
yeah.
Yeah, I know. You don't know. Mahavir. He got the enlightenment under
Mahavir
this tree.
and Gautam Buddha.
Gautam Buddha.
What you
Yeah.
are saying, Mahavir?
Mahavir or Gautam Buddha. I think Gautam Buddha.
I am not pretty sure, bro.
Okay, you can go this side. Okay.
Be careful, bro.
Okay. And now listen.
Yeah.
We will go in the roadside. We will make the roadside. Come.
But we will make another video.
Another
First
video.
complete this video.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think
This park is not good
Not
for us.
not clean for
Not
us.
clean. The
We
smell is
cannot-
very bad. From today onwards, we will not come
From
in
today.
this park. Okay.
Okay. But and there is no any
something.
person and
Are you hungry because you didn't have lunch?
I didn't have
Today.
lunch because of I don't like the curry today.
Oh,
This
it is
day
a
lunch.
curry. You
No,
don't like curry?
I don't like. Okay.
Yeah.
That's why we ate the wait. But I eat that. We can go. Can
Let's-
come.
Come. There are
We
many
are rounding
trees.
the-
You can see there are many
Now
trees.
we are rounding in this park. Okay.
Yeah.
But 2-3 people are here, but they are watching and looking at us because we are making only English
This is
video.
neem tree. Do you know neem
Oh yes,
tree?
I know with neem tree. In the neem tree, now listen.
In your area?
Yes, listen. There are many neem tree in our Odisha, but
Oh,
you know the very good thing of neem tree.
no, I don't
I am
know.
saying that by the neem in the neem tree,
Yeah.
Jagannath statue are made by the who?
Then on a neem tree.
Neem tree by the neem
Oh,
tree.
really?
Yes, really.
Wow, it's amazing.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a
Who?
new,
Listen.
new thing.
Who made
I know about it.
who made the
Yeah.
Jagannath statue?
I have no idea, bro.
You don't have an idea?
I know. I have no
Yes,
idea. Sorry.
Okay.
Please tell me. Let's go.
I will. Okay. I will tell you. In the
There is a
neem
monkey,
tree,
bro. Be careful. There is many monkey.
there are many monkeys. We can
We
go
have
this side, yeah.
Monkeys.
Monkey, there are
You can
monkeys.
see.
They are so angry monkey. Okay.
Angry.
Okay. Okay. We will go to outside in the park.
Oh.
And
So thank you guys for watching my video. Let's
you.
meet next video.
have a nice day.
Have a nice day.